Hello and welcome back to our channel Wristworthy. I'm your host Mohit, and today's video is going to be a little different. There is something oddly satisfying about how a simple strap change can completely transform a watch. Today we are taking the Meridian Equinox and giving it a few new looks and maybe a little surprise at the end. This is one of my favorite part of watch collection. I like experimenting with straps. And this isn't a review video, it's a vibe check. Meridian Equinox is one beautiful watch, there is no doubt about it. But I prefer to wear my watches with leather or knitted straps. These all are the straps I'm going to try today. And which strap suits it best? Let's find out. My first pick is the python skin leather strap. I haven't used this one much. Maybe I just haven't found the perfect watch for it yet. Let's put this on. I got it from Etsy and the color is this beautiful gray and white mix. It's got quick release pins and it definitely stands out. But there is just something missing. Maybe that little spark of character. Next up is the snake embossed leather strap from India Leather Crafts. This one is fiery red and completely hand stitched. And man, the quality shows. It's paired with a buckle from CNH watch bands. It's a little expensive strap, but it looks absolutely fantastic. It feels premium and bold and a total attention grabber. Now this one, the Italian leather strap from Ajwain watches. It is pure class. The color is lime green and it's a little thick, but that's the part of its charm. It's got quick release pins. It feels durable and honestly, it's super comfortable once it's on. It looks fresh and feels premium. And I must say, it looks great with the watch. My next pick is from CNH watch bands. It's a rally leather strap. The color is burgundy. It's perforated and perfect for summer use. Let me put this on first. It's got quick release pins and it's very comfortable. It gives the watch that sporty vintage racer vibe. I love that. Next I got something special. The eel skin strap from Ajwain watches. The color is beige and this one's made from genuine eel skin from Japan. Let me put this on first. It's got that unique texture on top, soft feel, it just oozes quality. And I must admit, a lot of my favorite straps are from Ajwain watches. It's got quick release pins, premium comfort, and it complements the watch beautifully. Let's try another one. Now this suede leather strap is from India Leather Crafts, one of my all-time favorite. It's green, hand stitched, and honestly the craftsmanship is top notch. It's on the pricier side, but I have used it on so many watches. It's super comfortable, reliable, and looks good with everything. Next I have vintage retro leather strap from CNS watch bands in green color. It's non-stitched, raw, and has that classy retro charm. Let me put this on first. It can start cracking after a few months, but it's very affordable and it looks great. Not the best match for this watch though. Maybe better suited for something more rugged. And here's another one from CNS watch bands. The vintage retro strap in suede yellow. Same non-stitched build, same affordable range. It's got a fun vintage look, but honestly, it doesn't really fit this watch's vibe. Still, for the price, it's a great strap to experiment with. And now, another vintage retro strap. This one's burgundy, also from CNS watch bands. Let me put this on. Same design, non-stitched, simple and stylish. But this one actually works with the watch. That deep burgundy tone looks elegant and ties beautifully with the dial. Easily one of the best budget picks here. Finally, the hybrid rubber sailcloth strap from Timex. The color is dark black gray tone, and this thing is built for daily wear. I got it with the Timex Expedition North, and it looks amazing for this watch too. It's flexible, rugged, and super comfortable. Honestly, one of my favorite combinations for an everyday setup. So there you have it, 10 different straps, one Meridian watch, and 10 completely different personalities. It's honestly amazing how a simple strap change can transform the entire vibe of a watch. From classy Italian leather to rugged rubber, each one tells its own story. That's the fun part about collecting straps. You never know which combo will become one. In my opinion, watches aren't just about timekeeping. They're about expression, and these straps, they're like wardrobe change for your wrists. Let me know in the comments which one looked the most wrist-worthy to you, because I have definitely got my favorite. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.